Hello, I'm here to walk you through how to connect your YouTube to other apps, other connected apps. Now, what do I mean by this? If you look up here at the page, at the home page over here, we have some options at the top. We have notification bell, the search bar, and then we have this one. So click on it. This is for connecting to a device. So now when we're searching for devices we can connect our YouTube app to. We can also link with a TV code, but I actually don't have any device to connect it to. But in case you do and you want to connect to any device, you can also do it this way, or you can do it by clicking on settings. First of all, you have to go to shorts on you at the bottom. Then click on the three dots at the top right corner, click on settings. This is another way to click on settings here. This is another way to connect. Click on connected apps. So you see all the apps you can connect to, some of the options. If you have any of these apps, you click on the particular one you have and you connect to it. So this, by connecting to Activation ID, Activation can access information about related game activities that I view across YouTube whenever the connected status appears in video player setting. They can also share information with my YouTube about my game account and progress on their platform, and they will administer our rewards. So I can also disconnect at any time. So let's say I decide to connect, I don't actually have Activation ID. So I believe this is Call of Duty. Yeah, it's a Call of Duty. So you see, and since I do not have a Call of Duty, I do not play Call of Duty actually, but I know it's a very fun game for those who played it. So if you actually play Call of Duty, you can connect your YouTube to your Call of Duty through Activation account like this. So that's it.